right, so this is a No Hair Crew Made for Men hair removal cream, and you can see here on the front you get a 3.4 ounce bottle, and it is fast acting in 3 minutes. This is dermatologically tested with soothing seaweed, and it's intimate hair removal cream for those private areas. Just No Hair Crew at the top, information over here in one language, the ingredients over here in English, and then the back tells you a little bit about their story and the directions. So it comes with a spatula. You kind of use that spatula to put the cream on the skin. You don't rub it in, and you just cover the hair completely. You wait about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you should be able to wipe this off and have buttery smooth skin. I've been using this for a minute. It definitely 100% works. The biggest issue would be, it's going to get 97 to 98% of the hair, I would say. You may have to do another one to get that last 2%. Occasionally it seems to get almost all of it, but I feel that there's always 1 or 2 missing. That's it for the box. And so this is the spatula that you'd use to kind of smooth it onto your skin. And this is the actual cream. So you'd hold it on for 6 minutes. That's the maximum time. I will say I normally do closer to about 5 to 6 minutes. I've never did 3 minutes. Very simple, literally unscrew this. Of course, take your protective plastic off, put a little bit wherever you need it at, and use the spatula to smooth it out, and you should hopefully have your hair removed without having to use a razor, without having to get nicks and burns, without having to get any of that. So there we go. That'll do it for this No Hair Crew Intimate Hair Removal Cream. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.